Well, I was gonna button up the turret before I did the next video, but I couldn't help myself. I got to doing some floor testing, and found some pretty interesting things. This thing drives like a dream. There's a couple things that I'm wondering about though, and I have to ask Kevin about this. Let me see if I can do this so you guys can see the radio and the tank. I don't know how this will work. The slow speed control is just excellent. Let me turn it down a little bit. Okay, now this is the part that I want Kevin to see. Now when I push the stick forward, the tank goes forward. And when I push it to the left, the tank goes left. When I push it to the right, the tank goes right. But when I pull the stick backwards, if I push it to the left, the tank goes right. And if I push it to the right, the tank goes left. What the heck is that all about? There's got to be some way to fix that in the mixes of the radio. Either that or it's going to be very, very hard to get used to. I can see already I'm going to need a better quality speaker. But this one has got some interesting features. I like that rev thing a lot. See, it has different rev tracks. I think there's 4 that it selects randomly from. It also has incoming. That's pretty neat on an airsoft tank. Wow, he really killed that one, didn't he? And again, I believe there are 4 different tracks that the ASP randomly selects from. I like that one, the machine gun bullets bouncing off your tank. That sounded like 3 out of 4. Yeah, I've heard all 4 of them now. It's got the music. You can turn that off right away just by hitting the switch again. It's supposed to have 4 different tracks there too. Now when you turn the pod all the way to the other side, I'm not sure it affects the lower switch. Now it still has incoming and music. The upper switch, however, instead of revs, has music. So I'll probably keep it more on the side where I get the rev sound. I think that's so cool. And the control is pretty good. It's at low speed, it's really excellent. I'm sure that once I get it outside and get used to driving it, it's going to be just terrific. Got to get this reverse turn thing figured out, though. It really does drive a lot like a real tank. Very, very smooth. Okay, fellas, just another little quick look there at the asp installed. I'll get the turret wired and get that going, and we'll see how all that works. We'll see you next time.